So the time is around 6 o'clock in the morning. I woke up early to go to Chirala beach. Always remember, whenever you're on the east side of the coastal area, wake up for sunrises. They're gonna be amazing. And if you're on the west side of the coastal area, wake up, go for sunsets. So I'm gonna go watch sunrise now, and I'll have some breakfast. Ikkada dinner em lekunde ekkuva parothalu unde. I slept with half stomach yesterday. So let's go have some breakfast. Usually I don't do breakfast. I fast till noon. Anyways, let's go.
Even after an exhausting ride, I sacrificed my sleep and woke up early just to watch sunrise. But nature had other plans for me.
We have come to Chirala beach, and there is no luck today because it's all cloudy here today. ఓడరేమంటేది పెద్ద బిస్కెట్ అయింది వచ్చి ఫైన్ కొంచెం ఉండిడా జస్ట్ గో బ్యాక్ టు రూమ్ ప్యాక్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ లీవ్ టు చెన్నై. హలో నైస్ పర్లేదు. I'll take few photos with this boat here.
Chalo, I'm all ready. I packed everything. I hope I didn't forget anything. Let's go to the bike. Install this all on the bike. Tying the bags to the bike is a bit difficult task, but I'm enjoying it. I mean, I'm getting better day by day at packing. This is the room, guys. If you ever came to Chirala and if you want to stay for the night, don't come here. It is very cheap when it comes to price, but the room is also cheap. All I needed was a bed and nice bathroom. I didn't get both. The bed is dirty, the bathroom is also dirty. Anyways, let's go. Let's hope it stays. Chalo, let's go to Chennai. Chennai, amma. Bajrang ki jai. So now we are going to Chennai. At first I thought I'll go to Pondicherry directly, but my Pinny lives in Chennai, so I thought I should visit her. I'm gonna go to Chennai now, stay there for a night. If we reach early, we'll try to explore Chennai a bit, and then tomorrow we'll go to Pondicherry. As I've told before, I'm just improvising. There is no plan at all. ఏదనిపిస్తుంది చేసుడు ఎటనిపిస్తాడు పోవుడు అంతే. పాండిచేరిలో ఉండనా I don't know. Let's see. And Chennai is like 360 kilometers from here. By the time we'll reach Chennai, it will be evening, and we are going from Ongole, Nellore, Gudur, Sriharikota to Chennai. It's showing 6 hours. Will take 7 hours. There is no hurry. I think the weather is gonna be bad today. I think it's gonna rain, and I'm not prepared fully for the rain. I mean, my luggage is safe, it is waterproof, but I forgot rain gear. చెప్పినా కదా ఏదో ఒకటి మర్చిపోతా అని చెప్పి I forgot rain gear, so I'm gonna get wet if it rains. చూద్దాం ఇక ఏమవుతుందో. The thing I observed in Andhra is the roads, they just go straight. అసలు బెంచ్ ఉండే రోడ్ల మీద అసలు స్ట్రైట్గా పోతూనే ఉంటుంది. అదే మన తెలంగాణలో అయితే ఇప్పటికీ 20 బెండ్స్ వస్తుండే రోడ్ మీద. They are just straight. I think that is the reason everyone tries to overtake here a lot. ఇంత స్ట్రైట్ ఉన్నా కానీ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్ టు రీచ్ ఎనీ డెస్టినేషన్ ఇన్ ఆంధ్ర. ది స్కై గాట్ క్లియర్. ఇదేదో పొద్దున్నే అయితే అయిపోతుండే కదా. I would have watched nice sunrise.
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever
So I can go to Chennai without going into Ongol.
wanna set me free.
కానీ ఒంగోలు గిత్తలు వరల్డ్ ఫేమస్ అని నాకు ఇంత దూరం వచ్చి చూడకుండా పోతే కూడా బాగుండదు. పండ్రి వెళ్ళి ఒంగోలులో చాయ్ తాగి పోదాం. ఇక ఎక్కడ లేవేంది మామ గిత్తెలు, ఎక్కడ కనిపించట్లేదేంటి మామ. లెట్స్ ఫైండ్ ఎ నైస్ టీ స్పాట్, హ్యావ్ సమ్ చాయ్, లెట్స్ గో. టైం పాస్కి వచ్చింది ఇక్కడికి. నేనమ్మా ఇంత దూరం వస్తే చాయ్ కూడా లేదు. ఇక్కడ ఉన్నట్టుంది చాయ్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ బిర్యానీ, స్నాక్స్, చైనీస్. చాయ్ షాపులు బంద్ ఉన్నాయండి భయ్యా ఇవాళ ఒంగోలా. ఇది ఉందా? ఉందిలే. అమ్మని అమ్మ. చలో, had my chai. Let's connect the phone and let's leave. ఒంగోలులో చూడడానికి ఏమి ఉండదు కానీ ఇంతే, సైట్ సీయింగ్కి రావాలంతే. పర్లేదు మామ, సైట్ సీయింగ్ కూడా పెద్ద ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ ఏమి అనిపించలే. పర్లేదు, వెళ్దాం. ఇక డిసప్పాయింట్మెంట్తో వెళ్దాం. ఎవరిని ఉంటే మెసేజ్ చేయండి ఒంగోలులో. నెక్స్ట్ టైం వచ్చినప్పుడు కలుద్దాం. బాయ్. సో ఐ థింక్ వీఆర్ నియర్లీ 180 kilometers to Nellore. We're gonna have lunch at Nellore. I don't wanna go into Nellore now. I'll find a nice dhaba and I'll have it on highway. Have you ever seen a restaurant on a toll plaza? There it is. Restaurant on a toll plaza. Where is the parking? I think it's over there. The roads are very nice, man.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you.
My adrenaline levels are rising. I am having a lot of fun today.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get back?
Lunch.
Lay dead, will you regret everything?
My bike is popping. Poop onto this.
And my heart's black and blue.
This is heaven, guys.
I feel like when I'm with you, losing.
If you are going from Andhra to Chennai, I don't know the name of this highway. I think this is heaven for bikers. You're gonna have a lot of fun on this road. As I entered NH16, I started having a lot of fun on this wide open road, and I also covered a lot of distance. But then came, I think I need to put the camera inside now. It shouldn't rain until I at least cross Nellore. Lions Nagar anta. Nellore is like another 30 kilometers maybe. I didn't stop till now. So I stopped at this dhaba. I thought I won't stop until I crossed Nellore, but then it started raining heavily suddenly, so I took shelter here and also had my lunch. అసలు నన్ను అడిగితే దాబాలే బెస్ట్ బై ఫుడ్కి వెన్ యూర్ ఆన్ హైవే. ఈ రెస్టారెంట్కి ఇష్టన్స్ అన్ని వేస్ట్. గరం గరం అండా బుర్జీ 10 పుల్కలు తిన్నా. ఐ హోప్ ఐ డోంట్ ఫాల్ అ స్లీప్ నౌ. And Chennai is another 190 kilometers from here. It's showing 3.5 hours. But I feel like it will take more time because it's raining now.
I wish when I first saw you I knew this.
Chodam
Do
yaar.
I feel so useless? I feel diluted. My heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
Shitty weather,
Never
man.
really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
Can you see all that fog? I turned on my hazard lights. It's pretty dense over there. As I kept going south, I got to know there is another cyclone started building up in the Bay of Bengal. And I realized my riding along the south coastal area isn't gonna be an easy task. We entered Tamilnadu, I think. Ellargum vanakkam everyone. Tamil etla acha anukokandri. Ippude bandapi Google chesna. I don't know if I even pronounced it right. It was raining madly, man. I'm all wet. Amma sardi kuda ayindi naku. It's been raining madly since past 2 hours. I've been riding in rain. And we are still 37 kilometers to Chennai. తేడా కొడుతున్నాయి రోడ్లు తేడా కొడుతున్నాయి తమిళనాడు ఎంటర్ కాగానే. I can find all these potholes on the road. There are a lot of diversions. 37 kilometers కానీ it's showing 1 hour 37 minutes for 37 kilometers. రే దేనికి రా ఈ ట్రాఫిక్, మళ్ళేం డైవర్జన్ రా. అమ్మో ఇదేంది ఆడదాకుంది, అమ్మని అమ్మ సావే. నాయన ఫీట్లు వేస్తున్నా. ఆ ముంగడు అంకుల్ని ఫాలో అయిపోతా, ఆడ మజా అవుతున్నాడు. Oh fuck. అన్ని ఫీట్ లేచి కనీసం సగం కూడా రాలేదు. అమ్మ బయట పడ్డా. Welcome to Chennai, dude. My plan is to start to Pondicherry tomorrow morning, but I think I'll stay for another night. I'm not sure yet. It depends on the weather and it depends on my mood tomorrow. Kali Chennai rich undi. Same Hyderabad lekkane undi Chennai kuda. My bike's radiating heat like hell. It's like I'm sitting on a pan. Chalo, I've reached my destination. I think I'll end this video now. And what happens tomorrow, we'll talk in the next vlog. Thank you. Ride safe. Keep exploring.